Hello, my name is Christine Guzman. In 2006, LB 1256 was passed by the Nebraska legislature, establishing the Nebraska Early Childhood Education Endowment Grant Program to serve children birth to age 3. In 2007, to increase name recognition and ease of use, the Nebraska Early Childhood Education Endowment Grant Program was rebranded Sixpence. Sixpence is a sustainable source of funding that will be available for quality early childhood program and services. Sixpence serves as a cornerstone for the citizens of Nebraska to enhance the opportunities for children who are most at risk to be successful in school and later in life. Sixpence is a public-private partnership funded with $40 million from the state and an additional $20 million from private sector. With Sixpence, programs are required to meet quality criteria that ensure children are in a setting that will provide maximum benefit for their positive development. The challenges with this are that service providers are not used to the private sector involvement, administrative requirements for staff credentials and program administration, insufficient number of qualified early childhood professionals, and limited facilities and resources. There are 3 types of Sixpence grants available. The Family Engagement or Home-Based Services. These programs match families with skilled professionals trained to model and coach parents in high-quality, developmentally positive interactions with their youngest children. Or center-based early child care and education services. These centers follow proven curriculum, emphasize parent involvement, and maintain appropriate adult-to-child ratios and reflect professional requirements for staff similar to those endorsed by the Nebraska Department of Education. The third type is school child care partnerships. In 2015, Sixpence made it possible for schools to enter into early learning partnerships and connect these providers to program involvement support through Step Up to Quality, and increase the ability of developmentally positive year-round child care opportunities for Nebraska families. The purpose of Sixpence grants is to help promote children's opportunities to experience positive environments and provide for their healthy growth and development during their earliest years. The Sixpence grant promote community-level partnerships that focus on meeting the developmental needs of very young children and to support parents as a child's first and most important teacher, helping to ensure their success in school and later in their life. The targeted population for Sixpence funds is infants and toddlers, birth to age 3, who are most at risk for failure in school. I chose this topic because it is a part of the program I am currently involved in. Even though my classroom is not considered a Sixpence classroom, I wanted more information on the topic.